Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain.
I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind if I drink.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging my day, and I'm starting the vlog quite late because it's now 4:54 p.m. and I decided to vlog just now because I've been just rotting in bed sick all day. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog. It's just like a mini, like, what do I call it? What do I name my series? What do I name my series? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh, Proof of Life. This is just like a mini Proof of Life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna shower muna and then clean up a bit. So yeah, let me just shower first and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so I just finished taking a shower and I just wanna quickly update you guys with what's going on in my life, you know, mini life update. So last week I got sick. Until now I'm sick kasi nga naulanan ako. When I was on my way to school, naka-move it lang ako and then biglang bumagsak yung ulan. So a few days after, inubo na ako, sinipon na ako, and then hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya nawawala. So like, yeah, that happened. And then with school naman, I've been on a depressive manic state. So like, I've been having a lot of trouble catching up with school and stuff like that. So now I'm catching up. I'm gonna do everything. So yeah. And then yun, yesterday grabe yung bagyo. The wind was so strong and yung ulan ang lakas. Buti nga now it's kind of sunny na, like look. The weather's improved a lot. That's what I'm gonna say. So, I've been stuck in my condo for like a week now here. And wala kaming pasok since the other day. And I don't know if magkakapasok kami bukas kasi I have Saturday classes. So, I'll see if I can still vlog tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. I've just been sick and rotting in bed. And yeah, so yeah, my life's pretty boring, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I don't know. So yeah. So I'm just gonna do my skincare and then I'll do light makeup lang. Like, just like my everyday makeup. And then I think my friends are coming over, so I'm gonna clean up a bit. And then yeah, we're just gonna chill, hang out, cook dinner, I guess. So yeah.
Night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here.
Hey guys, I'm on my way to the grocery kasi I'm gonna be cooking chicken alfredo and I need some ingredients. It's currently 7:34 and I'm on my way down to buy. So malapit lang naman yung grocery sa condo ko. It's literally right across lang. So yeah, I'm just gonna be walking and the grocery is right there. So very convenient.
Help me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadows maze. Guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep. whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Change your ways, set me loose. Cold night.
I'm on my way back na, and I got the stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got in the grocery. So I got, of course, fettuccine pasta. And then I got some garlic kasi paubos na yun sa akin. And then Parmesan cheese. Ay! Nahulog! And I got chicken breast fillet. Dalawang piraso ng sucks, but it's okay. I got all-purpose cream and flour. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking chicken Alfredo. Salt, where's the salt?
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my
I'm just gonna be letting that boil first, and I'll get back to you guys.
You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea.
Guys, I'm done cooking. It looks so good and it tastes so good. I'm so proud of myself. And now I'm just waiting for my friends to come over. So proud of myself for cooking that. My friends are here. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
The waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should have let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to.
Hey guys, it's the next day and it's currently 1:17 p.m. and wala pa naman akong ginagawa masyado. I'm about to open some packages that I got. One is from Shein and one is from Shopee. And let's open first yung sa Shopee. Kasi it's for my Osmo Pocket. Ito yung magnetic na kinakabit. I mean, it's the mount that you put on the Osmo Pocket para you can stick it anywhere na metal. So it's magnetic. So it's this one right here. Let me just open it. So pwede rin siyang stand. Ganun, kineme. Nakaganyan. Or pwede rin siyang nakaganyan. Since magnet is kakabit. Okay, next is a few accessories and clothes from Shein. I got yung usong necklace na mahaba. And I got this top. So cute! And then I got some accessories. This one I really wanted for a long time. Yung belt na ganito. So you put around your waist and like, yeah, super cute. The next one is a necklace. Yung nga yung sinasabi ko na mahaba. So cute. Guys, I think I'm transitioning into becoming a gold girl. Kasi dati silver ako eh. Anyways, that's it for my unboxing. Later sa dinner, we might get Korean barbecue sa Mega Mall with my brother and him. Hey guys, I'm about to leave na and I'm just gonna be booking a movie to my brother's place kasi we're gonna have dinner and at Soban, I think. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there.
See all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again I'll go back to my reality. Foolish and but you always keep a figment of my mind. Guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Them my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't even know what I should have let go. Thought I knew the way and then never should. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll
Hey guys, I'm home. I'm home and Bonnie's here.